never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm KADIJAH Nicole, and welcome to my channel. Now I know I'm looking real, a little crusty right now, but that's besides the point, because today we're gonna get into a little DIY project, and that project is flaxseed gel. So I've had this pack of flax seeds for a couple months now, and I haven't opened it, haven't done my gel yet, so that's what we're gonna get into today. So the flax seeds I have are whole flax seeds. I don't think it's nothing too crazy, just your regular flax seeds. Then I went out and bought some little containers at the dollar store. I got 2 of them just in case, but just a cute little size to put my gel in once I'm done making it. And then I also have a wig cap to use as my strainer, because the strainer I bought, the holes on it are like way too big, and I know these seeds would go through it. So I found something that's similar. I know a lot of people use pantyhose, and these are pretty much like the same thing. So yeah, we might as well make our way to the kitchen. So taking my measuring cup, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 2 cups of water into a pot. Following up with that, I'm gonna grab my flax seeds and pour in 1/4 cup. Now I'm gonna turn my stove on to medium-high heat. And once it starts to warm up a bit, the seeds will begin to kind of rise to the top of the water. As you can see here, they're starting to, move around a bit. And you want to get this to like a rolling boil. So here in this next clip, this is more of what you want to see. And through this process, we're looking to get like almost a snot-like consistency going. I know that sounds nasty, but that's what we're ultimately looking for. Right now, it just looks like a syrupy type texture, but this right here is more of what you want to see. And then you know that you are ready. Well, you'll know that your flax seeds are ready. So I went ahead and turned my stove off, and now I'm going to get ready to extract my my gel. But right before this, I actually let the seeds sit for about 15 minutes. I've seen some people let theirs sit for like 30 minutes to an hour, but I just let mine sit for 15 minutes, and it ended up still working. It just depends on the how thick you want your gel to be and all that type of stuff. So now that I have my gel poured in, I'm trying to extract the gel from the flax seeds. And you get your hands pretty dirty right here, so don't be trying to be cute. So just wring the gel from the seeds through the strainer or wig cap. And I know this looks so nasty. It really looks like mucus in a cup. And I ended up doing this same technique for the rest of the gel that I had in the pot. And once I got all of my gel separated from the seeds, I just poured it into my container. And I put it in my refrigerator until I was ready to use it. Here's both of my jars of the flaxseed gel, and I had to make 2 containers because I had so much and all wasn't going to fit in one. So I'm glad I picked up 2 of these glass containers. Now once I was done making my flaxseed gel, I actually put it in the refrigerator to kind of preserve it for the next day, because I wasn't going to do my hair yesterday. I was going to do it today, so I put it in the refrigerator to just chill out a bit. And we're going to see what it looks like. It looks like a jar of snot. Ew. It doesn't really have a smell to it. It has a little bit of a stench. It would smell a lot better with some essential oils in it probably. But I didn't put any extra oils or anything. But anyways, let me section my hair off. So before I apply the flaxseed gel, of course, I'm gonna use a leave-in, and I'm using my go-to Cream of Nature Curl Repair leave-in. So I'm gonna get a good bit on this back section. I'm really interested in seeing how this is gonna work, if it works. All right, so now it's completely moisturized with some leave-in. I probably should have used a bottle like some other people I've seen doing, but this is what I picked up, so I have to make it do what it do. Oh my gosh, I can't pick it up. It doesn't really feel like I'm putting anything in my hair. It feels very like lightweight. So I'm about to just finish up the rest of my hair. So now I'm completely done applying the flaxseed and I'm gonna let it air dry. But I'm gonna try to soak up some of this product in water. Just using a t-shirt. So I'll be back when my hair is completely dry. So this is my hair completely dry and I'm just going to pick it while I chat a bit. Overall, the flaxseed gel doesn't like give it like a super hold. It definitely still has like that frizzy type of look to it, but I still do have some definition with my curls, so it doesn't like not define it, it just isn't super defined. Also, like I was saying, it's very lightweight. It didn't even feel like I was putting anything in my hair, and it still doesn't even really feel like nothing's really in it. It's very soft, not really like crunchy, that crunchy texture you can get with using gel sometimes. It's not like crunchy, and I didn't have to wring out crunches, so that was good. Now as far as the smell, it definitely didn't have a smell. I could have added like an essential oil if I had one, which I didn't have one, but that would be something good to add if you like wanted to make your own flaxseed gel. Overall, it's good to know that if I don't have any gel on hand, I can always make my own. If I want to get real natural with it, just make my own gel. But yeah, like I was saying, my curls still look really good. Like, there's still definitely some definition. See back there? And I also read that flaxseed is good for hair growth because it is enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, so that's really good for the scalp and overall hair health. Now, most times when I do wash and goes and I use Eco Styler or Wet Line, my hair takes forever to dry, but I noticed with this it dried a lot faster, which was very surprising. Didn't expect that. And while applying the product, I realized a little goes a long way. You definitely don't need a lot of the gel. But as I was just like fluffing my hair throughout the video, I noticed, I looked down at my pants and I got like a little bit of flakes on it. Now I can't really see these flakes in my hair, but like as I'm messing with it, flakes are like falling out of my hair. So I kind of Googled it a little bit online to see other people's reactions if they had any flakes. And I did come across an article that said flaxseed works best like by itself by not adding another product. So I'm pretty sure that's where my flakes are coming from using the Cream of Nature leave-in under this. Overall, I'm really impressed with how this turned out. I really wasn't expecting these results, but it came out really nice and it was pretty cool to create my own hair gel. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.